let's add it. Atama soup is ready. Oh, please bring your. Hi guys, welcome back. Now today I want to make atama soup. Okay guys, today I want to make atama soup. Come, let me show you guys my ingredients. Please, if you have not subscribed, to this channel, do well to subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you, love you. Okay, so today I want to cook the popular Akwa Ibom soup. So this is atama leaf. If you watch my video, you will see how I slice this atama leaf. And this is water leaf. This is egusi melon, and this is my meat, beef. And I have fish and stock fish here. This is my palm oil, seasoning cube, salt. So let's get started. So first I'm going to wash my meat and stock fish and steam. Let's do that. So guys, let me cut my meat. So I'm washing the meat. Okay, let me wash the stock fish. Stock fish. Wash my fish. So first let me debone the fish. Okay, so guys, I'm done washing the fish. Let's season the meat with salt, Maggi, pepper. Okay, so now I will wash the water leaf. So it's time to slice the water leaf. Okay, I'm just slicing the water leaf, so now I will add it to my pot. Okay, so let me pound crayfish. Let me select. Ooh. Transfer to my mortar and then pound it. Okay, let's check. Ooh. Guys, I almost forgot that I have periwinkle here. So let's add it. And then crayfish, Maggi, pepper, then I will still add water. And I will cover and allow to boil very well. So now, let me wash the atama leaf. Let's go with this first. And then if it is not enough at the end of the day, you still add another one. So this is melon, you see. So let's check the pot. Ooh, this is atama soup. And now I will add my melon. Final checking. Hey, whoa, I've cooked with the cover. Oh. Wow, look at this soup. Look at this soup. It's not yet ready and it is looking like this. Now I'm adding the atama leaf. Soup is ready. This soup is big. Oh. This is a large pot of soup for the family. Wow. Atama soup. Atama soup is ready. Oh. Please bring your bowl and come and take soup. Atama. Ah. Atama de meko. Guys, Our soup is ready. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Mwah. Love you.